Studies on jet engines that do not require any fossil fuel are progressing rapidly. For now, the prototypes are ready for the electric jet engines that will be attached to the aircraft. In the aviation world, which is having a hard time nowadays, the biggest unknown cost of aircraft is actually aircraft engines, which is the most sensitive point of the aircraft. Both the most expensive component and the most important parts that need maintenance work with aircraft engines and private jet fuels. In an article published on the American Institute of Physics (AIP) site, it is stated that prototype tests have been started for a new system being studied. The system works simply by compressing the air, creating compressed air, which is ionized by microwave, to push forward the plasma. Prototype tests are going well now. It turns out that when it is scaled and mathematical calculations are made and the prototype is enlarged enough power can be taken to fly an airplane. This is an indication that we can switch from fossil fuel aircraft to electric motor aircraft in the near future. Recently, we were already witnessing small electric aircraft projects and tests, such as Airbus's E-Fan aircraft, powered by a similar battery system of electric cars. However, when it comes to large planes, it was known that this scale and commercial activities would not be possible. However, with these newly studied technologies, huge aircraft engines can only be operated with electricity. Aviation is of course very sensitive, especially when it comes to commercial flights. The process will have different progress when you carry passenger transport. So maybe we can witness a gradual transition in twin-engine aircraft soon. For example, while one engine of the plane is an electric motor, the other may be one of the engines used today and a hybrid working model can be implemented. However, we will be able to fly with electric jet engines after such a period and in a period that we cannot qualify as short-term. Another important feature of electric jet engines is, of course, its contribution to the environment. Because the carbon emission created by aircraft engines is important today. The transition of these engines from fossil fuels to electricity will benefit nature the most. Let's see when we can see electric aircraft engines in more realistic tests, time will show.